From childhood, we learn that the laws of physics never change. Gravity always pulls objects downward, time only moves forward, and motion and balance follow clear rules. But on Earth, there are places where, when people enter them, it feels like these laws no longer work the same way. In these locations, not only the environment feels strange, but the human mind also becomes confused, and the brain cannot correctly understand what it sees. These places are not myths or stories. They are real, and for many years they have made scientists, tourists, and researchers question. 7. Magnetic Hill, India. In northern India, there is a road where drivers have reported that if they leave their car in neutral, it slowly moves uphill instead of downhill. At first glance, this looks like a complete violation of gravity, and many people believe there is an unknown magnetic force. However, scientific studies show that this area creates a very strong optical illusion. The angle of the land and the surrounding slopes confuse the human brain, making it misjudge what is up and what is down. In reality, gravity has not changed, but human perception is fooled, which is why this place feels so strange. 6. The Oregon Vortex. In this area, people notice that objects do not behave normally. Balls roll at strange angles, bottles do not fall on sloped surfaces, and even people's heights appear to change without moving. The sense of balance is completely disturbed, and the brain cannot match what the eyes and ears are receiving. Some scientists believe this is caused by unusual architecture, incorrect angles, and strong visual illusions. Physics still works the same, but the human brain can no longer understand it correctly. 5. Lake Hillier, Australia. This lake is completely pink, and the color stays pink not only from above, but also up close and even inside a bottle. This has amazed scientists for years, because watercolor usually depends on light, depth, or reflection, but not here. A special mix of salt and microorganisms causes this color, but it is still unclear why the reaction is so stable. In this place, the physics of light and chemistry behave in a way that does not match human experience, and even scientists do not have a complete explanation. 4. Reverse Waterfall, England. Under specific weather conditions, this waterfall throws water upward instead of letting it fall down. Very strong winds blow from the bottom of the valley, and their force is powerful enough to completely change the direction of the water. From a distance, it looks like gravity is being broken, but in reality it shows that when natural forces combine in special conditions, the result can be completely unexpected. Sometimes things going the opposite way can still be logical. 3. The Zone of Silence, Mexico. This area is famous for strange disruptions in radio waves and electronic equipment. Radios stop working, compasses show the wrong direction, and communication suddenly fails. It is still unclear whether minerals in the ground, magnetic fields, or other factors cause this effect. What is certain is that modern technology faces serious limitations in this area, and science still does not have a full explanation. 2. Death Road, Bolivia. On parts of this road, drivers feel like their vehicles are being pulled in a certain direction without control. Thick fog, uneven slopes, and the lack of visual signs make it difficult for the brain to understand balance and direction. The laws of motion have not changed, but human perception fails. This is why this road has become one of the most dangerous places in the world, causing serious problems for many people every year. 1. The Bermuda Triangle, the most famous region known for strange physical behavior. For many years, there have been reports of ships and airplanes disappearing without being found, navigation tools malfunctioning, and pilots experiencing unusual time perception. Theories such as methane gas, magnetic errors, and special weather conditions have been suggested, but none of them fully explain all the events. This uncertainty has kept the Bermuda Triangle one of the most mysterious places on Earth, and no one has been able to uncover its secret so far. These places show that maybe the laws of physics do not change, but special environmental conditions can make the human brain unable to understand them correctly. Sometimes what we find strange is not a violation of science, but the limitation of the human mind in understanding reality. And maybe that is the most frightening part of all. Thank you for staying with me until the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please support the channel and subscribe to stay updated with our new videos. Goodbye.